Yo, what's good guys? It's Dixon from Intuitive Designs, back with another video for you this week. So some of you may have known that I am a creative director at Astral Throb. Quick backstory, Astral Throb is a YouTube channel that curates synthwave songs founded just 3 years ago, and lately there's been plans that we're branching into a clothing brand as well. So today I'm working on a new collection for our January drop. I'm pretty pumped for this because I have full creative control over the designs. Same as always, I've got free assets for you guys. This time it's a bomber jacket mock-up and it's 100% free. Just want to help you guys out, so check the link below. If you enjoy watching my design videos, subscribe to the channel now because I've got more content coming very soon. You won't want to miss out. Let's go. It's a big collection, but in today's video I'll only be showing you the main silhouettes designs, which are the hoodies and tees. So the first design concept is inspired by the movie Drive. The lead character has this huge scorpion print on the back of his jacket. I'm sure a lot of Synthwave fans will get the reference. Color wise, I'll only be using two colors, mainly this bright blue and this neon yellow. Another thing that I've planned was using this method that creates this spray painted effect. I'm not sure if that's the actual term, but yeah, I think it'll look pretty dope, especially printed on actual garment. I might mess this up a bit because it's been a while since I've used this technique, so bear with me. So what I do to achieve that effect is convert this image layer to smart object and then add the noise effect and then the Gaussian blur and then finally the threshold effect to sum everything up. You can see the difference here. I'll just use this effect on the entire design. You guys, so here is the final result. I really like how the design turned out. The colors fit together so well, even though they are relatively bold colors. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. You guys, apparently I forgot to hit the record button when I started working on a second design, but it's fine because I'm not too deep yet into the process. Here's what I got so far. The aesthetic that I'm going for this time is kind of like 80s rock band merch. It's quite popular recently among merch designs. I'll of course include some synthwave elements in it too. Color wise, I'll be using 4 to 5 colors. There's no specifics yet. I'll probably just swing it for now. The concept for this is like a scene set in the Middle East with some sci-fi influences and mystical vibe, for lack of better words. The main technique will be used here is just the threshold effect and then adding color overlays to it. So guys, here's the final design. I know it may seem sudden the way the video ends. I was taking a break during lunch, so I paused the video but forgot to record it again. My bad. Anyway, you can see how this design looks. I might come back to it again to change the colors, but for now, this is final. I don't have any plans yet for the third design, so you might see me struggle a bit during the process. What I do know is that it'll be printed on stone washed hoodie, which is another thing you should take into consideration when you're designing for your brand or for a client. You know what color the garment they'll be printing it on. So guys, I'm hitting a creative block here because I'm actually not feeling this at all. This is what happens when you design without a plan. It happens sometimes. I'm sure if you're a designer, you relate to. I think for now I'll just try to push through and hopefully it takes a good turn later. Yo guys, so this is the final for this design. I'm pretty blown away by how it came out. It's probably my favorite so far. Anyway, I really like the way the face looks deconstructed in phases, you know what I mean? It looks like it's echoing through this wormhole wireframe. I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, let's move on to the final design. So the theme I'm going for this final design is spirituality or self-enlightenment. In a minute you will see why I'm cropping this weird anatomy vector. It's gonna come out pretty sweet. It's also gonna be an easy one. I'm planning to just use white color for the whole design since we have so many colorful designs already. If you haven't noticed yet, I am creating these designs in limited colors because we're gonna screen print these instead of DTG like our previous collection. So if you're a designer and you're designing shirts for a client, you at least need to know some of the differences between these two techniques so that you can accommodate your design files. Yo guys, so this is the final design. I'm starting to think that the all white theme is a bit bland, so I'll probably come back to it again and add an accent color. But conceptually it's pretty much done. Let me show you guys the full collection now. So guys, here's an overview of the collection. This is only part of it I'm showing you guys. There's also some headgears like bucket hats and beanies in this collection too. But since I'm keeping this video relatively short, I didn't include them here. Anyway guys, I appreciate every one of you watching. I hope that these designs and info I've shared with you guys today are impactful, whether you're a designer or a brand. So if you're new here, subscribe to the channel now because I'll be launching many more videos like this. Same as always, stay safe, catch you on the next one.